public, he's made another pledge on education. Let's see if he dare back down with it. So all of a sudden you had two cabinet members directly in opposition of one another. As the campaign grew, it seemed to us that there was a capitulation in Gove's thinking, because he's thinking, look, I'm being attacked from here, there and everywhere. Do I really need this? Here's the point about being smart, is that politicians will not move unless they have to. And this was something he thought, you know what, I don't need this fight. Our articulation was, of course, for Seacole, but not just Seacole, Equiano, for actually diversity within the curriculum, for women, for black people. And we said, look, it's all part of our rich tapestry. We all benefit from it. Now, of course, we got our victory, all of us did, but there was also a sleight of hand to remove pre-conquest history. So we'll fight that too, with your help. But as Zita and Patrick has said, the real question from this victory, from this platform, is what do we do next? How do we transmit that lesson of a unified force that not only holds the line, but pushes back? You have to bear in mind with Mary Seacole was not mandatory on the curriculum. She wasn't. She was in the notes.